Severe floods hit the Italian region May 4, Road 2023. A disastrous balance in Amelia Romania in Italy where it rained non-stop all night on Tuesday as a result of Marzano's meeting with Lammon. The water overflowed and part of the town of Fenger in the Ravenna area was flooded. Many people were trapped in their homes and took shelter upstairs. Rescue efforts by the fire department are underway. There were people loitering in kayaks among the cars that were almost completely flooded. In the Fenger area about 100 people have been evacuated, but in the whole area there are more than 250 people displaced since the flood area, due to the bursting of the Solero embankment in Consolite spread, and at night in Bagna Cabello it was reported flooding Lemon in the Bonsolino area. Schools were closed in several cities as a proportion rail traffic was suspended due to bad weather conditions between Fengshu and Fali between Russia and Lugo. Because of the risk of flooding, homes were also evacuated after flooding in the communes of Monsuno and Castel San Pietro. The metropolitan municipality of Bologna.